Need quick cash? Here are 10 easy ways to make money fast, right from your home. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just need extra income, these ideas really work. Number 1. Freelancing. Use your skills, writing, design, marketing, or coding, and earn on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. You can start for free and get paid fast. Number 2. Online tutoring. If you're good at any subject or language, teach others through Zoom or platforms like Preply and Cambly. You set your own hours and your own rates. Number 3. Sell digital products. Create ebooks, resume templates, or printables on Etsy or Gumroad. One-time work, lifetime earnings. Number 4. Create content. Start a YouTube channel, TikTok, or blog. Use affiliate links and ads to earn. It takes consistency, but pays off big time. Number 5. Be a virtual assistant. Businesses always need help with emails, scheduling, or social media. You can earn $10 to $30 per hour easily. Number 6. Online surveys. Sites like Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars pay you to answer questions or watch ads. Not huge money, but fast and easy. Number 7. Sell unused stuff. Clothes, gadgets, furniture. List them on Facebook Marketplace or eBay and turn clutter into cash. Number 8. Start a dropshipping store. Use Shopify or Wix. No inventory needed. Find trending products and sell them online. Number 9. Work as remote support. Companies hire people to help customers online or by phone. Visit Indeed or remote.co to find openings. And number 10. Use AI tools. Create videos, logos, or blogs using ChatGPT, Canva, or Pictory, and sell your AI-generated services online. Remember, start small, stay consistent, and the money will follow. Which idea will you try first? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart money tips.